fan. Today I'm hitting you with another handstand video. I hope you guys are enjoying these because I sure am. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through some basic beginner handstand drills to get you handstanding faster. To have a good foundation for handstands, you need to practice and have good core, shoulder and wrist strength, correct stacking, otherwise known as your body position, flexibility and compression, and have good handstand drills and program. Today I'm going to be going through some of the basic handstand drills to help improve and progress faster. But if you aren't familiar or haven't worked on any of the other fundamental points, I suggest watching some of my other videos, which I'll link down below. First up, before we get into the handstand program, it's really important that you warm up your wrists, your shoulders, and your body in general. Here are some of the stretches that I do to warm up my arms before doing some handstands. If you want a full stretching routine, I will link one of my other videos just above and down in the description below. To warm up, I would highly suggest doing some wrist push-ups. If you struggle with these, do them on your knees rather than the full plank position. To recap some of the basics of handstand positioning and stacking, make sure that your hands are shoulder width apart and that your fingers are spread nice and wide to grip the floor. Another important fundamental is to make sure that you are pushing up through your shoulders and not sinking down. Now that we've gone over those basics, let's jump into the drills. Drill number 1 is activation slide outs. You want to make sure that your back is pushed into the ground so you don't have a gap between your back and the floor, as seen in the video. You want your arms above your head, bend your feet up to your bum. You want to try and think about engaging your core and pulling your belly button to the back of your spine. Once you have done that and you are engaging your core, you want to slowly slide your feet out while keeping your back pushed into the ground. As soon as it comes off the ground, you want to bring your feet back up. And with this one, you want to do it nice and slowly. You may not get your feet all the way out to straight, so just do it part way. You're going to do 10 reps of these. Drill number 2 is a dish hold, where you want to bring your shoulders and your legs off the ground and you want to engage your core to hold yourself up there. If this is too hard, you can bend your knees up. Hold this one for 30 seconds and work your way up to holding for a minute. The next drill that we're going to do is a Froggy Hold. Now, in one of my last videos, I explain all about how to do a Froggy Hold, and you are going to want to try and hold this for anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds, and you're going to want to do that 3 to 5 times. Drill number 4 is the headstand. So you want to put your hands shoulder width apart, and then you want to place your forehead just a little bit in front of your hands, and then you want to bring your bum over your shoulders, and then you want to slowly bring your legs up above your hips. With this one, aim to holding it for 30 seconds up to a minute. For the next drill, you are going to need a box that is about just above your hips. Drill number 5 is the box tuck hold. For this one, you are going to want to put your legs up on the box and walk your hands in nice and close and have just your knees on the box. Now make sure you're not too arched and that you are turning and engaging that core on. Hold this one for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. Drill number 6 is also similar, but it is a Pike Box Hold. This time you are going to have your hands further away from the box with just your shins or your toes touching the box. And you want to make sure that your bum is over your shoulders and not too far back and not too far over. If you find this too difficult, walk your hands in closer to the box so that your thighs are touching the box instead. You're going to do 30 seconds of this one 3 times. The next drill is tuck leg extensions. It is the same as before with your knees on the box and your hands nice and close, and you're straightening one leg up to the roof and bringing it back to the box. And for this one, you're going to do 5 on each side. The next drill is the pike leg extensions. So the same before in the pike position and raising each leg up. And you're going to do 5 on each side for this one. The next drill is bunny hops. For this one, you're going to have your hands out in front of you and you're going to be jumping with your legs to try and get your bum over the top of your shoulders. If you want a more detailed video on how to do these, check out the link up above or down below in the description. And you're going to do 5 of these. Drill number 10, the final one, is L kicks. Standing up and lunging into the L kick. Also, once again, if you want a more detailed instructional video on how to do these, there is also a link which is the same video as the bunny hops. You're going to do 5 of these as well. Big day of filming and training, and that's it for the basic handstand drills for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and as always, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. And until next time, Circus fam.